sana ang Nike ko. May naisuot mo. Sure, Miss Alice. I'll give you this for free if you're gonna buy any bags, okay? If you're gonna buy any something tonight, I will give this to you for free. Charot! Alright, let's do the unboxing. Did you guys see it? Hi, Miss Ophelia. How are you, Miss Ophelia? Hi, Miss Vita. Hi, Sis Glyza. I don't have Speedy 30, Miss Ophelia. Hi, Miss Maria from the Philippines. Good evening or good morning over there. I do have some wallets. Chanel. All right. I'm sorry about that, Miss Ophelia. Right now I'm busy unboxing. But I always do the back reading. So don't worry that because I'm going to read your message. Right now I only have Speedy 40. I only have Speedy 40 right now. Okay, how to start opening this these boxes. You know what? Let me break it. Ooh. Hi, my Mona. How are you? Right now, Miss Ophelia, it's hard to get a Speedy in good condition. And they have, my supplier has some, but I really don't like the condition, and also it's pricey. That's why I did not buy any of Speedy right now. Unlike before, it's affordable and very excellent condition. Not right now. Hi, Sis Sushita. Good evening, everyone. Don't forget to share our live because we have some giveaways going on this coming Sunday. You don't want to miss that, guys. Okay, you don't want to miss that. We also, don't forget to, guys, subscribe to my channel. It's already pinned down below. Okay, don't forget because I'm going back to my YouTube and doing I'm gonna be active there again. Actually, I have a previous I have like 3 YouTube channel, and I was active with my other account, but for some reason I couldn't log in on that, so I had to use my other one that I never uploaded anything in there. So right now I'm gonna start over again and collecting some viewers, because before I have like over 500 on my other account, but now I have 0 because I'm going to start again. Alright, guys, so don't forget to share our live tonight. This is it, Pansit. Let's do this. Hi, Sis Dennis. From everywhere. Miss Jackie, my bags is from everywhere. Ohio, USA, Paris, Japan. Alright, we do have this. Probably this is a Gucci. We'll see what's in here. Location, Ohio, USA. I know, right? Alright. Hi, Sis Sobi. Alright, we do have this. Ooh, look at this, guys. Very fancy. Ooh, I got this handbag. Wow, they are in excellent condition. Look at this. It's a red Gucci bag with sling, with strap. And comes with the care card and dust bag. Comes with this also dust bag and the care card. They are in excellent condition. So guys, this one, it got no plus to mention for this. Hi, Miss Nat from Canada. Ohio, Miss Hong. I'm from Ohio, USA. Miss Jennifer, right now, I cannot read any messages while I'm doing the live. So this, which one you're mining, Miss Emily? I'm just going to show you guys, and then later we are going to do some selling, and we have to explain the bags yet. But right now, this one, there's nothing to explain for this bag, and also of this bag. Oh wow, this one is a large size and comes with also that that strap. Super in great condition, guys. It's a rank S, brand new condition. And comes with this huge Gucci. Hot pink. This is hot pink Gucci handbag. Let's put this inside. Alright, next. Ooh, look at this, guys. I have this brand new condition. This is Alma. Meg, paki-message niya si Sis Gracie because she don't get notification. She's gonna be upset again if she missed this unboxing. So if you are there, please message her that I'm live now. For that pink Gucci, I think that is 945. I will tell you guys later after my live. Oh, oi. Hold on. Wait, can I have it? What you say?
I can't open the door.
Nag-aano ko eh.
Where do you have your light?
Nag-YouTube ako.
Oh! Hi.
Isa bastos.
Okay, Mommy, I'm going to bed.
Bring down that laptop, please. Tell kuya to set up my laptop now. Mag-good evening ka na sa kanila. And mag-good night.
Good night. Good evening.
Alright, I have this one. Ooh.
Alright,
What is this?
This one. Ooh.
What is this? This is rank A. It has a tiny watermarks here, but this is super in great condition, guys. Okay. Sometimes you cannot. Look, this one, it's so cute. I forgot this name. I'll tell you the name later. I will tell you the name for this later. What do you mean good night? That's unfair, Miss Sushita. It's too early. Oh yes, delightful, not graceful. Delightful. You like everything, Miss Sushita. We have good night sa baby mo. Okay, good. I just want to make it clear, okay? We have this This is rank A. Wow, nice and clean. Never full MM in Azure. Nice and clean, guys. This one is nice and clean. Comes with this dust bag. Ay, ang cute-cute. This one super cute, guys. Alright, next. Ay, no more na pala. Ay, I forgot this. We got... Oh, we have another one. Gucci in BB styles. Color blue. This one is color blue. Ang gulo-gulo ng mga pasawa.
Hello, I'm just trying to get that laptop for you. Okay, good night, Mommy.
Good night, love you. Paki-set up. Pakitawagan sila. Pakitawag si Kuya, please.
He's sleeping.
Paki-set up my laptop. Please tell him.
I'll set it up.
Alright, we do have this. Guys, do not purchase right now, okay? Because right now,
Do
I
not
cannot see all your
purchase.
comments, okay? We will explain the bags later and then we will mention the price.
Understand?
This one is complete inclusion, guys. Look at that. Still brand new. Look at this. And we do have this Alma Damir event in complete inclusion. Rank S, guys. Rank S. No plus to mention for this. Okay? Next tayo. Let's start with this small box.
You want to go on your Facebook or Messenger?
Facebook and Messenger. Sis, I want that Alma. Ooh, I think I have two. Don't worry about it. That is pricey, Miss Maria. Because it is a rank S. Close to brand new.
You want Facebook?
Yes, call them. And then call
So
them.
Messenger.
Okay, we have extra dust bag. I want that Alma. Oh my God, we have two. Don't worry, how much the never full. Later, guys, I will tell you that my never full of the monogram is 1,250 USD. Look at this, guys. I do have this Alma Epi in black. Alma Epi in black. Oh, I was mentioning Miss Sushita, the old stock. Look at this, guys. Super in great condition. Excellent. Just like the seller. Oh, but I have another. Look, guys, I have another baby inside. This is include together. Charot.
Charot.
Pakilagay naman. Did you guys put my payment? Did you guys like my payment mode? Look at this. Super cute. Alma Epi in
Good
black.
night. I love you. Mahal kita, Mommy.
Good night. I love you. Mahal kita. I know. I know. Look at this guy. Super cute. Sino? Eight. All the consolation price are $8 only. Yes, $8 only. Oh, look at this. We do have this mini Rivera. I want Epi Black. Okay, guys, later we will sell the bags later. We have this. Oh my God, this one is like a brand new also, like I had before. I sold one of this. And comes with also the dust bag. Dust bag. Oh no, that's mine. This is mini. Do you like mini? This one is so cute. Later, guys, I will tell you the price after this unboxing. So you guys need some chill out there, okay? Sit and relax. Sit back and relax. We have plenty. My mini Rivera ba tawag dyan? Yes. Yes, Miss Potensiana. That is Mini Rivera. Alright, next. We have... Oh, shoot, I forgot this name. I need to see my list. Oh, look at this, guys. Ay, wala pala yung ano niya. I forgot this name. What is this name? What is this name, guys? I forgot. It's in my tongue. I forgot this name. But this one is... Wow, this one is in great condition, guys. Watch and enjoy first. Yes. Watch and enjoy. Okay, let me set this up quick. Guys, tell me the name of this. Marley, sis Marley, what is this name again? So I don't need to... Berkeley, yes! Ang galing-galing talaga ni Miss Jo. Jo, you got it. You have a prize for me later. Hi, Sis Gracie. Finally, did you get the notification? Or no? Why? Maybe you did not follow my page or you're not like, you did not like, don't forget to. Guys, this one is rank A. Super rank S outside, but the inside is A because it has eight pen marks inside. But only pen marks inside, guys, in the edge on the corner. Now it's nice and cute. Chara! Berkeley. Berkeley. This one is rank SA. It has only some pen marks inside, guys. Pen mark inside. Let me... This is our raffle drawing, guys. So do not forget that to pick any numbers for the 3 items. $100 each for 100 for 35 slot. Ooh, look at this. What is it? Oh my God. PM size. Super cute. Wow. And I have another one. Another baby. Wow. This one, guys, is super cute. This one is rank S. Let's go, let's go. Ooh, la la. Ang ganda-ganda niya. Kasing ganda ko. Ay, I forget to show this. Look at this. I have this Chanel Caviar tote bag. Next tayo, next. Oh, PM size is your weakness, Miss Grace. Ang cute niya. Up! Who is the red lover? Red lover, come on out! I do have this super cute makeup pouch. Comes with the Care card. PM size. Red, red, red. Red for your birthday. Ah? Ha? What you say? Hey, did you write down people that who shared that video? Don't forget to share our live, guys. Don't forget to share our live. So you will be entitled for so you can be entered for our giveaways this coming Sunday. I have a lot of giveaways that I've been buying it for my buyers and for my viewers, and I think I only gave like few times because I didn't have any assistance to do it for me. It's hard to do it yourself. You're selling bags, you're writing those people who share the live. Yes, my God, another PM blah. Another mm, uh another Alma Black in Epi Alma Black. Yes, plus shipping fee. For the no, because her is her that's not gonna fit to that box. So it's gonna be like 15. Look at this, guys. I do have another one. Black Epi. Comes with this. Another dust bag. All their dust bag are vintage as well. Oh, Miss Donita. Share the live. Guys, all my buyers, I need to see one of you guys. At least you did it. Share our live because you guys have you will be separate for my giveaways for my viewers and the buyers. Okay, so do not forget that all my buyers, make sure that you did also share our live and make sure you also followed my page and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Hindi ko ba magsalita? He will like buyers and the viewers. All right, one more. Oh my God, it's heavy. You want the red one? Look at this. Let's put this. What is this? Miss Sophie, don't forget to share our page and don't forget to go to my YouTube channel and subscribe there. Ooh, this one. I have another one. I sold one of this last time. This one is rank AB minus, but because this one it got discoloration. This is the Bernie. Ooh, I have Bospor. Look at this, guys. Wow, look at the inside. Super leather. And this one is Bernie. Weekend bag, guys. This is GM size weekend bag. No discoloration, yes, but no watermarks, nor peeling, nor stickiness. Alright, next tayo. Next. Oh, we do have this Azure in Bospor. This one is rank A. Ganda. Flawless. Ganda, guys, oh. Ganda niya. Wow, this one is rank A2. Wow, nice. No watermarks. Buspor. O, diba, I have a video over there, YouTube down there, and I have a show here. Alright, next, let's me put this down, guys, so we have space. How much? Later, I'll tell you the price. Last one box, guys. Last one. We will open the... I have another one jewelry, but this one is gonna be later. Alright? I'm gonna post that in my YouTube. That jewelry. I'm gonna open... unboxing my jewelry on my YouTube channel. You can just visit. Don't forget to visit. So you don't miss anything. Look, I got the new nails. we have a nails party earlier, nail spa party earlier at my friend's house. And then we do some kind of lunch and what you call this? Some kind of lunch and nail spa earlier. Hi, Miss Prince. Sis, I don't have, I don't have Gucci small. No Gucci wallet. Red lover, come on out. Ooh, look at this. I have St. Jack's in red, Epi in red. St. Jack's Epi in red color. And this is rank A. Look, cute. Next tayo, next. Ay, comes with this pala. Alright. Oh my God, what is this? Anyone looking for green color? Don't forget to like and follow my page, guys. We do have some kind of giveaways this coming Sunday. You don't want to miss that. What's another red? Look at this, super cute. Wow, ang ganda. Look, super cute and clean. This one is green epi. Ang ganda naman nito. This one is super cute, guys. And this one is rank S. Wow. Ay, rank A. Rank SA. It has a tiny stain here. Who minded? Bankrupt, Miss Grace. Alright, next. Ang cute naman ng red, ng green. Hi, Miss Coco. Welcome back to my page. Don't forget to like and follow again. Share our live. To share our live. All right. This one is long strap. Long strap. This one is nice. Also nice. Oh wow, no flaws. Wow, guys, no flaws. And oh my God, I forgot to. I hope that I wrote down all these prices so I won't be. Oh my God. Lots of goodies. Ooh, what is this? Miss Mercy, like and share. Don't forget to write her name. Alright, so if you guys like the bags, you have to be relax there because be ready, okay? Because once I'm done unboxing, we will proceed our selling with the price. Oh, this one is Venice. This one is a PM size. Wow, look at this guy, super cute. So if you have small laptop or like laptop size 13-inch and low, also the iPad Pro, it's gonna be fit in here. This one is rank S. Super cute. This is Venice. Venice. Oh, look at this, guys. I have another one, Chelsea. So if you are there, Miss Shara Chan, get ready for your Chelsea. No plus. I think Miss Shara Chan is absent tonight. She's gonna miss her. She's going to miss her Chelsea tonight. She probably gonna miss her Chelsea tonight. No, Miss Polinciana, they doesn't comes with the, it doesn't comes with that. No strap for that. Delightful needs a little spa for her strap. Oh, look at this. Ano ba name nito? I forgot this name. But all I know is, I had a backpack. Oh my God, my Miss Aglaisa's weakness, backpack. Oh my God, this one is rank S. Wow, super in excellent condition. Look at this, guys. Super cute. Super cute, guys. So, once we're done on the unpacking, we are going to do the selling, okay? We're going to proceed some sellings with the price. That way, you can mine the items. And don't forget, when you mine the item, you have to make a payment right away. Because I do cancel your items automatic without any, because right now, guys, a lot of you that mining the items did not make a payment all the way. So it's just for me, we're both wasting our time. So please try not to waste our time, especially my time. My time is precious. Charorot. Charot lang yun, guys. But please try not to cancel your mining. Be responsible for your items, guys. And this one is rank S. Oh, look at this, Miss Soshita. Your twin bags. So like I said, guys, when you mine the item, you have to send me a message, screenshot, send me a message 5 to 10 minutes, make a payment, confirm your items, because otherwise I have lots of names here that they just mine and did not pay. So I have to remember their names. This one is Nolita. Rank A is, it's close to the brand new, where you can only see a very minimal sign of use. Rank S is, it's like a brand new one. No plus to mention for the rank S. When you said rank S, that means is brand new condition. No plus to mention. When you said rank A, it has a very minimal sign of use. Sometimes they don't actually. So this one is the Nolita. Wow, this one's super cute, guys. Ang ganda talaga ng Nolita. I so love that Nolita. I so love that Nolita. Then, I have another one. Oh, another small, another MM size or PM size. So, this one is MM size. Look at this, another hot pink. Ang ganda, super beautiful. Guys, this one, it's rank S. I think all my Gucci are rank S, guys. Because it's like a brand new condition. But of course, like I said, all my items are free love, but not abuse. Look at this, guys. No rubbing, no scratches. Next tayo. Ooh, I think this one is the other one. Ay, I forgot to show you. Look at this. We do have this Rivera MM, guys. Rivera MM. Ang ganda. Pricey but worth it. I promise you guys. Pricey but another palaman. There's another palaman. Oh, Gucci. Another Gucci. Wow, this one is super cute. Alright, we have another Rivera and in MM size. MM size. So I guess all our bags comes with the dust bag. That's mine again. Oh my God, Miss Mary Ann. All na lang. Ay, this one, guys, is super cute. Rivera MM. Magkano? Later. Look at this. It's a pink, light pink, peach one. It's a rank S as well. And comes with the strap. Ang cute ng mga items ko ngayon, ha? Wait, I think we have lots of Gucci today because last time, they are fighting for my Gucci. They were fighting for the Gucci. Oh, same color with my nails. Alright, next. Last but not the least. Last but not the least. What is this? Comes with a box. So interesting. Guys, don't forget to like and follow and share our live. Oh, I got it. We have, so I know a lot of you guys has been asking for this. Now, finally, we do have this Geronimo's. Geronimo's. Okay, this is rank S, guys. We need some kind of palaman. Mas maganda, PM lang sa'yo, sis. The pink Gucci. Okay, Miss Osena, we're almost there. Alright, we're almost there. Just bear with me. You have this one. And another one. Let's put some palaman. So, nag-deform siya kasi. it got the form. Alright, now it's nice and perfect. Alright, last one. We have another guns. This one is cute. So we'll keep this in here. Alright, and we're done. So we are going to start selling. Let me take this down. Let me take this out. Miss Kashika, what is your question? All right, we're done. This is all our items. Yes, we do have a DHL, but DHL is very expensive. Well,